The truth about patience: most traders believe trading is about doing, clicking buttons, reacting fast, catching every move. But real profitability comes from selective action. Most losing trades don't happen because the trader lacks knowledge. They happen because the trader took a trade they had no business taking. The market punishes impatience. Patience isn't passive. It's a strategic decision to avoid low-probability setups, emotional impulses, and boredom trades. A patient trader looks at the chart and understands that no setup is also a setup. Learning to sit on your hands is the difference between entering early versus waiting for confirmation, reacting emotionally versus following your plan, trading from fear versus trading from logic. If you cannot remain still during uncertainty, the market will make you pay for every moment of weakness. Secondly, why sitting on your hands is the ultimate skill. This skill is harder than technical analysis, indicators, or strategy building. Why? Because it fights your human nature. You have to ignore noise, ignore impulses, ignore the urge to do something. You must control curiosity, fear of missing out, and the belief that you can outsmart the market. When you sit on your hands, you're not being inactive. You are actively preventing your worst tendencies from taking control. It takes strength to not chase a candle, not revenge trade after a loss, not jump in early because it looks like it's moving, not gamble because you're bored. This skill separates a disciplined trader from an emotional one. Discipline isn't about what you do, it's about what you refuse to do. Lastly, noise versus signal: why waiting saves you. Most price action is noise: sharp candles, fake breakouts, sudden spikes. These movements are designed to trick emotional traders. Impatient traders fall for it every time. They get sucked into randomness, confused by every tiny movement. They react to shadows instead of structure. But patient traders, they wait for the market to show its hand. Signal comes from clear structure, clean breakouts, retests, volume confirmation, trend alignment, conditions matching your plan. Noise is everything else. When you can sit on your hands, you naturally filter out 80% of the traps the market sets. Waiting becomes your shield, silence becomes your edge, restraint becomes your profit. Final message: a trader who can't sit on their hands becomes a victim of their own emotions. A trader who can sit on their hands becomes the hunter, waiting, watching, acting only when the target stands still. If you can master this, you can master the market.